The for statement. The for statement executes a simple or compound statement for a fixed number of times. The syntax of the for statement is given below. For variable in iterator. Statements for each item in sequence. Last item reached. True, exit loop. False, body of for. Program 1. To print all the days of week, you will get the following output. Program 2. To print a pattern using for loop, you will get the following output. Using the range function. The range function is an inbuilt function of Python. This function generates a list which is a sequence type. A sequence is a succession of values bound together by a single name. The range function is used in the for loop to iterate over the numbers. The general syntax of using the range function is given below. Range n generates a set of whole numbers starting from 0 to n-1. Example, range 6 is equivalent to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Range start stop generates a set of whole numbers starting from start to stop -1. Example, range 3, 9 is equivalent to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Range start stop step underscore size. By default, the value of the step underscore size is equal to 1 and numbers generated with a difference of 1. However, we can generate numbers by specifying the value of step underscore size according to our requirement. Example, range 1, 14, 2 is equivalent to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Program 3. To print your name 9 times using for loop with range function. On running the above program, we get the following output. Program 4. To print multiplication table of an input number. On running the program, we get the following output.